Hello student, today I Surbhi discuss the syllabus of History Culture of Punjab for BA candidates as well as other than BA. As you all know that History Culture of Punjab is one of the compulsory subject for every first semester student of Punjab University Chandigarh and its affiliated colleges who opted SCP as one of the compulsory subject. So today I came up with the syllabus of SCP. The History Culture of Punjab comprises of 4 units. There shall be 9 questions in all. The first question is compulsory and shall be short answer type containing 15 short questions spread over the whole syllabus to be answered in about 25 to 30 words each. The candidates are required to attempt any 9 short answer type questions carrying 18 marks, that is 2 marks of each. Rest of the paper shall contain 4 units and each unit shall have 2 essay type questions and the candidate shall be given internal choice of attempting one question either from the each unit and 4 questions in all. Each question will carry 18 marks. The paper is of 50 marks, theory containing the 45 marks, the internal assessment which is given by your college is of 5 marks and the time allotted for the paper is 3 hours. There is 4 units. In unit 1 there is 3 topics. First is ancient Punjab, which includes the physical features of Punjab, then its impact on the history. Second topic is the historical sources, which comprises of the literary as well as the archaeological sources which is found in the historical aspects of Punjab. The third topic is the Harappan culture, the civilization of Harappa, and the extent and the town planning. The second unit comprises of the Harappan culture, the social, economic and religious life of the Harappan civilization people and the causes of disappearance of that. The second topic is of Rig Vedic age, the rise of Indo-Aryans, the main features of life in early Vedic age. The third topic of the second unit is the later Vedic age, its political, social, economic and religious life of later Vedic Aryans. The third unit of History Culture of Punjab is of caste system, origin and evolution, the epics which comprises Ramayana and Mahabharata. The third topic is the political condition on eve of Alexander invasion. The unit 4 comprises of the impact of Alexander invasion on social and cultural life of the people. The second topic is of position of women in Harappan, early Vedic and later Vedic age. And in the fourth unit, there is a map which is also a compulsory question. The important historical places of Punjab, Mohenjo-daro, Harappa, Kot Lihang Khan, Sanglol, Banavali, Takshashila, Indraprasth, Hastinapur, Kurukshetra, Srinagar, Purushpura, Shakala. Now we are discussing the syllabus of History Culture of Punjab, all candidates other than BA for the first semester of Punjab University Chandigarh and its affiliated colleges. The syllabus has been divided into 4 units. There shall be 9 questions in all. The first question is compulsory and shall be short answer type containing 10 questions spread over the whole syllabus to be answered in about 25 to 30 words each. The candidates are required to attempt any 5 short answer type questions and each question will carry 1 mark. Rest of the paper shall contain 4 units and each unit shall have 2 essay type question and the candidate shall be given internal choice of attempting 1 question from each unit. Unit 4 in all. Each question will carry 10 marks. The paper is of 50 marks. The theory is of 45 marks. Internal assessment which is given by your college is 5 marks and the time allotted for the paper is 3 hours. The unit 1 comprises of the Harappan civilization, the extent, town planning and social economic life of the Harappan people. The second is the life in Vedic age, the social, economic and religious life. Third topic is the growth and impact of Jainism and Buddhism in Punjab. Unit 2 comprises of the society and culture under Mauryas and Guptas. The next topic is Bhakti movement, its main features, its prominent saints and their contribution. The sixth topic is the origin and development of Sufism in Punjab. Unit 3 comprising of 3 topics. First is the evolution of Sikhism, teachings of Guru Nanak, institutional development, Manji, Mansar, Sangat and Pangat. The next topic is transformation of Sikhism, martyrdom of Guru Arjan, new policy of Guru Hargobind, martyrdom of Guru Tegh Bahadur. The next topic institution of Khalsa, new baptism and its significance. The unit 4 comprises of one question on map and other on the remaining 2 topics. The first topic is changes in society in 18th century, social unrest, emergence of missiles and other institutions, Rakhi, Gurmata, Dal Khalsa. The next topic is society and culture under Maharaja Ranjit Singh. The next question is on map of undivided physical geographical map of Punjab, which includes the major historical places of Punjab, the undivided Punjab, which includes the Harappa, Mohenjo-daro, Sanghol, Ropar, Lahore, Amritsar, Kirtarpur, Anandpur Sahib, Tarantaran, Machiwara, Govindwal, Khadarpur Sahib. That's all. Here today we discuss the syllabus of history culture of Punjab for the BA candidates and for other than BA candidates of Punjab University, Chandigarh and its affiliated colleges. Thank you.